I'm going keto. Keto haul. Okay, I still have a few apples and bananas and some frozen berries that I'm going to eat. So I guess I'm going to do a keto transition. However, it's kind of like the Tim Ferriss. What do they call that one? Whatever, the Tim Ferriss diet, where you're eating low carbs or no carbs. I'm going to try to eat no carbs. I wanna lose all my body fat. I know that's wrong, and I've just never done that before, and I wanna know what that's like. So I wanna do that, and I'm gonna see what that's like. Now I know realistically it's not going to be 0% body fat. It's going to be, I want single digits, and I want to try that. I also want to stop sugar addiction. I have a major sugar addiction, and lately more and more I've been breaking down more than I ever have. So that's also something that I want to get it out of my system. I've done Candida cleanses before where I stopped, I think, a month. I might have even done it 3 months. I don't really remember. And I did lose a tremendous amount of weight. This will be a grocery haul. I'm gonna show you. I'm super excited, which is like the foods that I can eat are like, whoa, I can't believe it. And I'm also, I think, in the first little while, I don't know. I think I'm gonna be able to eat way less calories. I've never counted calories. I don't know what I think a man is 2,000 calories. That could be a mistake. Maybe it's 1,000. All I know is I looked at how many calories were in eggs yesterday, and it says 70, and 70 times 12. That means I could eat this whole carton. I'm also going to do intermittent fasting. So I'm going to just basically have one meal a day. So it'll be at the end of the day that I'll eat. And that's going to make things a lot easier for me. I usually do that. I just, do all the work that I have to do. I'm also not going to put my eggs in the fridge like they do in Europe, just because it's easy. I'm going to test that. I've done that before. It always worries me. But these, I think I'm going to hard boil them. And this is under... If I make all these eggs, this is still under 1,000 calories. What is 70 times 12? I don't know what 7/12s are. We don't do 12 times tables in Canada. We only do up to 10. $70 times 12 equals, that's 840 calories. I think it's 2,000. I think that's what a man is supposed to eat. So that's pretty good. If I just have, say, 12 eggs, then I think I'm going to be good to go. Definitely keto. And then, I'm going to see how much actual, fruits and vegetables I need. I don't know what I'm going to mix it with. Today, I'm going to have, so I got lots of eggs. I already have a full carton that I'm going to eat today. And I bought some kimchi. Now, I've had kimchi before, but I've never bought it. And this was $9, which is expensive. Is it organic? It's not even organic. It's GMO-free. I'm going to have it with eggs. I'll probably have 6 eggs, and I'll probably eat this whole bottle of kimchi so I don't have to save it. Now, I don't know the calories or anything. I don't count nutritional facts, or... I've never done that before. What does it say? Something about 200 percentage based on a 2,000 calorie diet. So I guess a 2,000 calorie diet is per 2 tablespoons. Sugars, 0. Protein, 0. I don't know what's in here. Jeez, it wants me to eat 2 tablespoons of this. I kind of wanted to eat the whole thing. Is that too much? I don't know. Maybe I'll only have a little bit of it. When friends of mine who do eat kimchi, I've only seen them have like 2 tablespoons of it at a time. This is one of the things that I'm most excited for. Pork rinds, which just is, and I got 3 different kinds. These ones are heavier. They're something else. But mostly they're just pork and fat. Gotta put my glasses back on. Pork, lard, and salt. This one has lard in it. And this one has fried pork rinds and salt. And this one is pork fat with attached skin and salt. I'm going to try one right now. I better like them because I'm pretty sure I had one before. But, you know, I bought so many of them this time. Really fluffy. This is like a potato chip, and yeah, it's really good. Wow. So, what an amazing... It's too good to be true, and I think there's a lot of things in the keto diet that are too good to be true. This is like, it's like so many things that are so bad for you. It's like a puffed grain. Puffed grains are supposedly horrendous for you. Another reason why I am going towards keto, these are really good, and not a low-carb diet, is because I do have a lot of inflammation or back pain due to yoga, being addicted to yoga. Wow, I'm addicted to those. And being in ketosis, I'm told, also gets rid of inflammation, and it might get rid of my back pain. Okay, I got this guacamole. Okay, so I'm gonna have some eggs, guacamole. I'm gonna have a lot of things today. I also really interested in being a fruitarian because I love fruit and sugar. So maybe down the road, after I'm not fat anymore, then I will try that, and we'll see how much weight I gain by just eating sugar. I got to save some of these guacamole. You can eat cheese, and especially goat cheese. And I used to be a big condoner many, many years ago of, I tend to not eat cheese. Recently, I've been starting to eat more and more cheese. But on the keto diet, you can eat a lot of cheese, and especially goat cheese or sheep cheese. And this was on sale, and there was one left. So it was like, and it was really on sale. It was $3 off. So that was like, I had to buy that. Avocados, I got. These ones aren't right. So I bought some stuff that was right. This was the only one that I could find that didn't have sugar in it, at least at the grocery store that's closest to me. It does have vinegar. That kind of worries me. I don't know if you're allowed vinegar or not. But like I said, this is a transition period. I got to get the avocados in a good rotation. Once you have some avocados, you leave them out. You buy more, and then you can get a good one, and you stick them all together, and the old ones do the new ones. You got to get and then you can just, I love avocados. And avocados are supposed to be a great keto food. And if I can just eat avocados all the time, I'm down for that. And then I had a coupon for cucumbers, so I just got some of those. So I am getting some greens in there. I tend to not really, like, I love salad and I do love greens and everything, but I don't crave them and I don't want them. Definitely crave avocados. Cucumbers I like. I mean, I like them all, but I guess, you know what, I don't like the work. So, I usually do have cheat days. They're not cheat days because I eat at A&W and I'll get a lettuce wrap burger and I'll get tomatoes and sliced onion and pickle and mustard, and that's what I get on it. I'm pretty sure all of that stuff is keto. If I have to get rid of the pickle and mustard, I'd even be fine with that. Tomato, onion, burger, and lettuce. So I can even be out and about. There's A&Ws everywhere where I live in Canada. So I'm able to stop in there and have 3 burgers. That's an awesome option. I'm going to have some of this guacamole with pig rind. That is exciting. Super exciting. I don't like this over packaging, but again, you can't get this one in, at least at my grocery store. I'm pretty sure you can get them in regular container sizes. Oh yeah, and I won't be buying guacamole in packages anymore because I'll be making my own. It's like a dream come true. Like, I can't. It seems so wrong. So, hopefully, I'm not going to go too crazy. I do want to keep my calories really low. If I can eat a lot, I wonder how many calories these have. This is so... The calorie counting is so new to me. It might not matter when you're eating like this. And from my past experiences, it doesn't matter. I used to eat whole chickens and everything when I cut out the sugar by just cutting out the carbohydrates, which I don't agree with people saying. All fruits and vegetables are carbohydrates. But when you're cutting out sugar, like any sugar, be it fruit or refined horrible sugar, you do lose weight. And you do gain weight by eating sugar, even in fruits, because I've seen someone do it. Well, I saw a YouTube video. Do you think it's possible? Per 9 pieces, 80 calories. 9 pieces. See, look, I better not eat, I better not have the whole... I guess I'm not going to be under today. This has 100 calories. This is for 14 grams. This is hard work. So that's why I don't do it either. Because I can be pretty lazy. But the thing is to eat. It doesn't matter if you're doing ketosis. It doesn't matter if you're doing low carb. What matters if you're eating whole unprocessed foods in general. So I don't feel bad that right now I'm mixing my bananas and apples and berries in with my cucumbers and eggs and because I'm still eating really, really well. And it's really nice to be super excited. Divided by 14 equals 6. So I'm having 6 servings. 6 times 80. It's 400. I'm going to eat this whole bag, obviously. So that's 480 calories. $500 calories. $600 calories. So we'll say 600 calories, and then 6 eggs. 6 times 70. 420. So that's 1,020. And then I'm sure the kimchi doesn't have that many calories. 10. Oh, that's good. I can't eat the whole thing. Maybe I should worry about what it's going to do to my digestive system, though, if I eat the whole thing. Because 10 calories for 2 tablespoons, but how many tablespoons are in here? 30. Wow, it's so much work. So that's... For now, I'm not going to do the work. Okay, so I might be eating over my allotted calories. I'm only going to have 6 eggs, though. I won't make all 12, because I have had these. And I'm going to have another 100 grams of this for sure. I'm actually going to finish this. So I'm going to have 400 calories of avocado. Wow, it's really easy to get your calories. I know a lot of people struggle with getting the calories with natural foods, but it's not. The only thing I'm an expert at is knowing that whole unprocessed foods are good for you. The less ingredients, the better. Who knew this was a mukbang? I do not like these little containers. You know what, maybe I don't need any eggs today. I better Google eating too much kimchi before I do it. I think it's spicy though, and I can't handle spice. Waste not, want not. There's not even anything on this, but my obsession needs to lick. I just had a pudding craving. Oh, because I was licking the lid off the top of that thing. I love pudding, and that's why I bought bananas. So I could mash them all up and eat them like pudding. The other thing about the keto diet is that it stops your cravings. I won't want to have sugar anymore. And apparently it suppresses your appetite. So having an intermittent fasted one meal a day will be really easy. Just think of the poor little piggies. Eating their bums. Piggies are so cute. I'm okay with eating animals because chimpanzees eat animals. Chimpanzees are like the closest thing we have to us. Chimpanzees even eat other chimpanzees. And I think I'm really big on bug eating. Even though I hate bugs, that should be more of a reason to eat them. I'm going to look into hunting down more bugs to eat. Because I think that's probably one of the best foods we can eat. Much like eggs. Now, I don't know how I feel about chicken eggs. Because chicken eggs are, you know, they're farmed, artificially selected kind of thing. Maybe this is all I'll eat today. I'm quite satisfied. But eggs are something that we would find in the wild quite easily, and we would eat. So I'm down with the eggs. And eggs are so inexpensive per meal. Even when you're buying $7 organic ones. Oh, I'm super excited about cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese. And I have to be really, really mindful of the ethics and the standards of your meat products, I think, especially. I mean, you don't really have to be. I'm sure it's better than, as long, whole foods are always better. But there's a lot of bad things that happen to meat. And animal products that aren't organic and grass-fed and free range. I mean, we do the best we can and what we can afford. But I got a lot of very nutritious food here for under $75. All of this was. And the kimchi was like 10, which I probably won't buy again. I have, I could get the cheaper alternative. There's some raw sauerkraut. I think as cavemen that we would eat a lot of fermented things. Well, something I do know is this was very, very satisfying. I think 227 grams. Sorry for you Americans out there. I think that's about the size of a small container of guacamole. So those added up. These taste better than any potato chip I've ever had. And the good thing about eating simple, basic food is when you eat it, you know your first bite is like, oh, it's delicious. Oh, man. But by the end, you're like, they become less and less desirable. I always have to finish everything off. Another addiction. I don't like to waste anything. Do I get all the guacamole out of this? Don't leave anything on your plate. That's disrespectful. Or at least save it for later. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you for joining me for this Keto Talk, an impromptu mukbang. I hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want me to see or talk about or say or... I love you. I need to blow my nose.